Do you have high memory and CPU usage problems on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer? If you're struggling to get optimal speed for games and other high-level applications, then this video is for you. Right-click on the Start icon and select Run. Once the Run window opens, type services.msc and click OK. This will immediately open the services window. Here, we're going to disable just one service called sysmain. In some cases, you may see superfetch instead. Note that these two services are the same. So, if you don't find superfetch, look for sysmain and vice versa. In my case, it's sysmain. Double-click on it, go to Startup Type, and select Disabled. Click Apply, then OK. This service preloads applications you frequently use to make them start faster. However, this is also why CPU, RAM, and disk usage can become very high. Disabling it won't cause any issues or noticeable changes to your system. Go ahead and close the services window. Right-click on the Start icon again and select Run. Type sysdm.cpl in the Run window and click OK to launch it. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab at the top. Under Performance, click on Settings. A new window will open called Performance Options. Select the radio button that says Adjust for Best Performance. Click Apply, then OK. Go to the Windows search bar. Type Task Manager, and press Enter or click Open to open the Task Manager app. In Task Manager, go to the Startup tab. Please follow this step carefully and do not disable graphics-related items. Look for applications you don't want to start automatically when your PC boots, and disable them. As you can see, I have only a few essential applications enabled at startup, while the rest are disabled. This will drastically reduce RAM usage, disk usage, and CPU usage. This is a very effective step, so make sure you do it to boost your system's performance. Scroll down or up to see applications you would want to disable. You can now close the window. The next step is to open File Explorer by clicking the File icon on the taskbar. Go to this PC. Many people forget that having enough free space on the hard drive is very important. If you play games, do video editing, or run other demanding applications, make sure you have enough free disk space. Also, check that your hard drive bar has not changed from blue to red. If the bar is red, try freeing up some space. As you can see, I have approximately 27 gigabytes of free space, and the bar is still blue. To remove cache files from your computer, right-click on the Start icon and select Run. In the Run window, type cleanmgr and click OK. This will open the Disk Cleanup utility for Drive C. You can select all the options, as these are cache and temporary files. In my case, it shows about 292 megabytes, but in your case it could be several gigabytes. Go ahead and delete all those junk files. This can help fix high CPU and high RAM usage problems. The next thing you need to do is update Windows. Go to the search bar, type Windows Update, and click on Windows Update Settings. Here, check for updates and make sure your PC is always up to date. Windows can slow down when there are update issues, so this step is very important. In my case, it says you're up to date, meaning there are no further updates to install. Go on and close the Windows Update settings. Next step, right-click on the Start icon and select Run. In the Run window, type Temp and click OK. Select everything in the folder and press Shift+Delete. If some files are currently in use, simply skip them. Go back to the Run window again and type %temp%, then click OK. This is another location where junk files are stored. Select all the files and press Shift+Delete. Click Continue when prompted, and if some files are in use and can't be deleted, click Skip. After this, restart your computer and check your system's performance. Click the arrow in the bottom right of the taskbar and select the shield icon, or search for virus and threat protection and open it. Under Current Threats, click on Scan Options. Select Full Scan. This scan takes longer, sometimes over an hour, so it's best to run it when your PC is idle. This is a good practice to do once a month to remove viruses, malware, unwanted files, and anything that may conflict with your system. Once you select Full Scan, click Scan Now to start the process. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe.